Good morning, everyone. I am Unnati, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about Meta encryption plans to comply with EU DMA, Ghost of Tsushima PC release details, Acer launches budget-friendly Aspire desktop, Google Gemini chatbot update for enhanced user control, Apple blocks Epic Games online marketplace amid ongoing dispute. IBM collaborates with C-DAC to boost high-performance computing in India. Supreme Court dismisses MakeMyTrip's plea against Google over trademark misuse, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Meta recently revealed its strategic plan to implement end-to-end encryption on two of its major messaging platforms, WhatsApp and Messenger, aiming to align with the European Union Digital Markets Act. As part of this encryption process, third-party providers are required to agree to interpret with the messaging services before the encryption measures can be implemented. The complex process involves the creation of message protobuf structures, which undergo encryption using the Signal protocol and are encapsulated into messages stanzas using XML. Meta server will then transmit these encrypted messages to connected clients through a persistent connection, ensuring secure communication. In collaboration with Meta, third-party entities will be responsible for hosting any image or video files sent by their client apps to Meta users, further enhancing privacy and security. While the Signal protocol ensures secure transit of messages, Meta acknowledges its limitation in guaranteeing the security of actions taken by third-party providers regarding sent or received messages. This encryption initiative reflects Meta's ongoing commitment to prioritizing user privacy and security across its messaging platforms. Ghost of Tsushima, initially a PlayStation exclusive game, is set to expand its horizons by releasing on PC on May 16. The PC version will include the complete story, the Iki Island expansion, and the co-op multiplayer Legends mode, offering an enriched gaming experience, providing users with options like unlocked frame rate, extensive graphics settings, and presets. The game aims to cater to a diverse range of player preferences. Customizable keyboard and mouse controls will be available, and players can utilize Steam input to remap and customize the controller layout for personalized gameplay. The game's optimization for ultra-wide monitors, support for multiple aspect ratios, and compatibility with performance upscaling technologies like AMD FSR3, NVIDIA DLSS3, and Intel's XeSS enhanced with the visual experience. Pre-orders for the PC version come with enticing in-game items, such as the new Game Plus horse, traveler's attire, and broken armor dice from Baku's shop, adding value for early adopters. Introduces the Aspire Desktop, a budget-friendly PC option equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core processor, starting at an attractive price of $42,490, configured with 8 GB of RAM, a 512 GB SSD upgradable to 1 TB, and supporting Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. The desktop uses efficient and seamless performance. Users can choose between the Intel Core i3-12100 with Intel UHD graphics 730 or the Intel Core i5-12400 with Intel UHD graphics 750-730, providing flexibility based on performance needs. Running on the latest Windows 11 OS, the desktop comes with a sleek black cabinet design, multiple I/O options, and includes a USB mouse and keyboard for a comprehensive computing solution. The inclusion of a 250-watt power supply adds to the reliability of the system, making it suitable for various computing tasks and user requirements. Google's Gemini, formerly known as Bard, receives a substantial update, introducing a new feature that allows users to modify responses generated by the AI-powered chatbot. The update empowers users to select specific part of the text and choose from options like regenerate, shorter, longer, and remove, providing enhanced control over the chatbot's reply. Limited to the web version and available only in English currently. The feature aims to improve user satisfaction by allowing more precise tuning of the chatbot's response. Users can communicate desired changes directly to the chatbot, creating a more interactive and tailored conversational experience. This update underscores Google's commitment to refining its AI technologies, offering users increased flexibility and control in their interactions with AI-powered systems. The ongoing legal dispute between tech giants Apple and Epic Games reaches a new phase as Apple blocks Epic Games from launching its online marketplace on iPhones and iPads in Europe, stemming from a conflict that began in 2020, where Epic Games accused Apple of violating antitrust rules. This recent move by Apple is attributed to past breaches of contract by Epic Games. Apple asserts its right to limit the influence of Epic Games on its devices, citing egregious breaches of developer agreements as grounds for terminating Epic Games' attempts to create a new developer account in Sweden. The legal battle highlights the complexities surrounding App Store ecosystem, developer agreements, and the evolving landscape of digital platforms, as both companies take strategic steps to protect their interests. The outcome of this high-profile dispute will likely have implications for the broader tech industry. IBM signs a memorandum of understanding with the Center for Development of Advanced Computing to strengthen high-performance computing capabilities in India. The partnership focuses on fostering the growth of India's developer community, emphasizing processor design, system design, firmware, and application development, including contributions to open source initiatives, leveraging IBM's power processor for HPC applications. The collaboration targets startups, MSMEs, research organizations, and academic institutions across India. The establishment of an HPC working group aims to kickstart the design and development of indigenous processors based on IBM power architecture, promoting rapid learning and knowledge sharing. This collaboration signifies a concerted effort to enhance indigenous capabilities in HPC, aligning with the broader goal of technological self-sufficiency. The Supreme Court dismisses a plea by online travel agency MakeMyTrip against Google concerning the alleged misuse of its trademarks MakeMyTrip and MMT as keywords in Google Ads. The Delhi High Court ruling, which stated that the mere use of trademarks on Google Ads did not amount to infringement under the Trademarks Act 1999, was upheld by the Supreme Court. The court emphasized that the Delhi High Court ruling was an interim order, as the trial in the intellectual property infringement case was yet to conclude. MakeMyTrip's argument that Booking.com was piggy riding on its reputation was considered, with the court analyzing provisions of the Trademarks Act 1999 for its ruling. The ruling highlights the complexities surrounding trademark usage in digital advertising and the ongoing legal battles in protecting intellectual property rights in the online domain. This is Unnati signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hello and welcome to the weekly news recap. Here are the top 5 stories from this week. Bill Gates meets PM Modi for AI and global collaboration, focusing on health and climate initiatives. Airtel adopts recycled PVC sieves, cutting plastic and emissions for sustainability. Ola's Bhavish Agarwal launches Kritrim AI and multilingual Chatbot, entering the AI landscape. India hits 820 million internet users with growth in OTT and rural contributions. IIT Madras launches platform for startup info, capital access and mentorship democratization.